Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a new Shopify store. First, begin by creating your Shopify account, which takes just a few minutes. You will need to choose a memorable store name that reflects your brand. Next, accurately input your business address and contact details. Finally, select your preferred currency, like US dollars or euros, and set your local time zone to ensure all operations are correctly synchronized. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth setup process and future business operations. Now, let's populate your store with products. Start by uploading compelling, high-resolution images for each item, accompanied by detailed and engaging descriptions. Carefully set your product pricing, track inventory levels, and specify shipping options, including weight and dimensions. Group similar products into intuitive collections, such as summer dresses or handmade jewelry, making it easy for customers to navigate and find exactly what they are looking for on your site. Next, focus on your store's appearance to create a strong brand presence. Shopify offers hundreds of themes. Select one that best represents your brand's aesthetic and functionality needs. Personalize your chosen theme by adjusting colors, fonts, and the layout of various sections. Remember to create vital pages, such as an About Us section to share your story and a Contact Us page, providing customers with easy ways to reach you for support or inquiries. Finally, prepare for transactions and your grand launch. Establish clear shipping rates and define your delivery zones, whether local, national, or international. Integrate reliable payment gateways such as Shopify Payments or PayPal to securely process customer transactions. Before going live, conduct a comprehensive review of all your settings, from product details to checkout processes. Once everything is perfect, you are ready to launch your new Shopify store to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.